Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for watching another of my videos. What I got here today is a 360 video that I did with Insta360. This video is actually sponsored by the shinryseries. He actually got me the camera to test it out and everything. And I have to say it's my first 360 video that I ever edit and the first 360 camera I ever try. And overall, I think it's pretty easy just to use it, just to take it on the road and everything. I'm using a waterproof case, so that it doesn't have sound. I was testing the case, wishing it could have some kind of sound because older cameras they still get the sound, like the Sony action camera. Even if you have the waterproof case, you still have a good sound, but this one doesn't, so that's why I'm actually doing a voiceover in this video, because it didn't have that sound. So I really want to explain. I'm looking through the video. I looked through the video a couple times. I feel the 360 range of motion is very good, and you can see everything inside the car, and you still get a really good view of the front. It does move a lot because it's the movement of the car too, because the way we are handling it with our hands. Maybe if there was like a special gimbal for it, it would look nice and smooth, but this one moves. Sadly, I really didn't want that kind of movement because it looks a little sloppy, and the way I was driving too. So so guys. But overall, it really is a great camera. It's a 4K camera. I really have to export the whole video after to really see if it does come out the way I'm hoping for. Very crisp, very lovely, the colors. I did a color grading here, very easy to do it. Camera takes really good video overall, but I just wanted to give it my touch in the color grading. It really does get a lot of aspects of the angles. I just think it's very clear, and the movement and everything. So like I said, sadly the whole shaky thing, it doesn't really help with the video, but hopefully for next one I can learn how to edit and stabilize the video. I really didn't find any plugins for that for VR, so what can I do for now? But I feel that this can be used as an action camera because it's very easy, very light. I'm wondering how I can just stick it into the top of my car without using the wow, that just the selfie stick. That's what I call it. Maybe it has a name for it. This is the invisible selfie stick that 360 brings. Is very good, very light, so you can actually do very good recordings with it. And I'm really just trying to find the other one. Thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate you guys watching. Have a good one. Peace.